It's time to restart. Not because you failed, not because you're broken, not because you're weak, but because growth demands evolution and destiny refuses stagnation. The past has already taken its turn, the mistakes have already spoken their lessons, and the excuses have already overstayed their welcome. So today is not about regret. It is about rebirth. It is about drawing a hard line between who you were and who you are choosing to become. You are not here by accident. You are here because something inside you refuses to settle, refuses to stay small, refuses to accept a life that does not match the fire in your soul. Restarting means releasing the weight of yesterday and stepping forward with courage instead of fear. It means forgiving yourself for the delays, the wrong turns, the missed chances, and the moments you doubted your own power. It means understanding that your story is not defined by one chapter, one mistake, one loss, or one setback, but by the resilience you summon when life tries to break your momentum. It's time to refocus, because distraction is the silent thief of destiny, and comfort is the quiet killer of greatness. Every hour wasted scrolling, doubting, procrastinating, or waiting for permission is an hour stolen from the future you claim you want. Focus is not just attention. It is commitment. It is discipline. It is choosing your long-term vision over your short-term emotions when no one is watching and no one is applauding. Refocus means cutting off the noise that weakens your clarity and feeding the habits that strengthen your direction. It means protecting your time like it is gold, guarding your energy like it is sacred, and respecting your goals like they are non-negotiable contracts with your future self. When your focus becomes sharper, your confidence grows stronger, your actions become cleaner, and your results become unavoidable. It's time to rebuild, because nothing powerful is built on weak foundations. Rebuilding means replacing old habits with stronger ones, replacing excuses with execution, replacing doubt with discipline, and replacing comfort with courage. It means understanding that greatness is constructed brick by brick, rep by rep, choice by choice, day by day, even when progress feels slow and invisible. Rebuilding is not glamorous. It is gritty, lonely, repetitive, and demanding. There will be mornings when motivation is silent and nights when fatigue tests your commitment. But those are the exact moments that define who you are becoming. Anyone can start strong when energy is high, but champions are built when consistency survives exhaustion. You are stronger than your excuses and bigger than your fears. Your past does not own you. Your failures do not define you. And your circumstances do not limit you unless you allow them to. The power to change your life has always lived inside your decisions, your discipline, and your willingness to act even when comfort begs you to stay the same. Restarting does not mean erasing your past. It means using it as fuel instead of a prison. Every struggle has sharpened your awareness, every failure has strengthened your wisdom, and every challenge has prepared your mindset for higher responsibility. You are not behind. You are being prepared. Refocusing means remembering why you started when the road gets heavy. It means anchoring your mind to purpose instead of emotion, direction instead of distraction, growth instead of gratification. When your why becomes stronger than your comfort, nothing can pull you off your path. Rebuilding means committing to the process even when progress feels slow. It means showing up on the days you feel tired, uncertain, unmotivated, and unseen. It means trusting that discipline compounds into confidence and that small, consistent actions create massive long-term change. You were not created to live on autopilot, chasing comfort and settling for average. You were created to stretch your limits, sharpen your character, and build a life that reflects your standards instead of your fears. Average is easy. Greatness demands sacrifice. The world will test you, distract you, doubt you, and challenge you. But those pressures exist to reveal your strength, not to destroy it. Every obstacle is an invitation to evolve. Every delay is a lesson in patience, and every hardship is training for higher levels of responsibility. Pressure does not break champions, it creates them. You must learn to move even when you do not feel ready, because readiness is built through action, not waiting. Confidence grows from proof, not promises. Momentum is created by motion, not intention. Your environment will either elevate you or drain you. So choose wisely what you consume, who you listen to, and where you invest your time. Protect your mental space like a battlefield, because every thought shapes every action. Your mind must become your strongest weapon, not your weakest enemy. Restarting is choosing courage over comfort. Refocusing is choosing clarity over chaos. Rebuilding is choosing discipline over delay. 1 year from now, you will either thank yourself for the discipline you showed today, or regret the comfort you protected instead of your potential. Time will pass whether you act or not, but the results will belong only to those who commit. The future rewards execution, not excuses. The version of you that stays consistent will walk differently, think differently, speak differently, and carry a quiet confidence that cannot be shaken. That version does not beg for opportunities, it creates them. That version does not fear pressure, it thrives in it. Your habits will shape your destiny long before your dreams ever do. What you repeatedly practice becomes your identity. Discipline today becomes freedom tomorrow. You are capable of more than you have proven so far. Your limits are not fixed, your potential is not capped, and your growth is not finished. The only real ceiling is the one you refuse to challenge. Stop waiting for perfect timing, perfect confidence, or perfect conditions. The perfect moment is the moment you decide to act. Action creates clarity, not the other way around. Restart your mindset by letting go of self-doubt. Refocus your energy by committing to what truly matters. Rebuild your future by showing up relentlessly, even when it's hard. You do not need approval. You need alignment with your purpose. You do not need applause. You need progress. You do not need shortcuts. You need consistency. Your future self is watching your decisions today. Every disciplined choice is a gift to that future version. Every excuse is a delay in becoming who you were meant to be. This is your moment to reset your standards, sharpen your focus, and rebuild your identity. This is your opportunity to rise beyond old limits and rewrite your direction. This is your invitation to become undeniable. It's time to restart with courage, refocus with clarity, and rebuild with discipline. It's time to stop surviving and start building. It's time to become the version of you that refuses to quit, refuses to settle, and refuses to waste this life.